Hello students, a warm welcome to this English session. Today we are going to learn the first lesson of class 7 English, Charlie's birthday gift. So this story is about a boy named Charlie Beckett and how a bar of chocolate brings good luck to Charlie and his family. So before moving on to this story, let us see from where is this story taken. So this story is a small part or an extract taken from a novel titled Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This novel is written in the year 1964 by a British novelist Roald Dahl. He was not only a novelist, but he was also a poet, a screenwriter and a short story writer. He is very popular, especially in writing novels on children's literature. He is also regarded as one of the greatest storytellers for the children of 20th century. So this novel or this story is particularly inspired by Roald Dahl's experiences of visiting chocolate companies when he was a schoolboy. So let us see what is happening in this story. As I told you before, this story is about a boy named Charlie Beckett. He lives in a humble home along with his parents and two sets of grandparents, that is both his father's parents and his mother's parents. He walks past a chocolate factory every day on his way to his school. So let us see whether this boy, who is very fond of chocolates, will get a chance to explore this factory. Explore means to travel around a place in order to learn about it. Section 1. Evening Bulletin. Wonga factory to be opened at last to a lucky few. Mr. Willy Wonga, the confectionery genius, whom nobody has seen for the last 10 years, sent out the following notice today. I, Willy Wonga, have decided to allow 5 children, just 5 mind you, and no more to visit my factory this year. These lucky 5 will be shown around personally by me, and they will be allowed to see all the secrets and the magic of my factory. Then, at the end of the tour, as a special present, all of them will be given enough chocolates and sweets to last them for the rest of their lives. So watch out for the golden tickets. 5 golden tickets have been printed on golden paper, and these 5 golden tickets have been hidden underneath the ordinary wrapping paper of 5 ordinary bars of chocolate. These 5 chocolate bars may be anywhere in any shop, in any street, in any town, in any country in the world, upon any counter where Wonga sweets are sold. And the 5 lucky finders of these 5 golden tickets are the only ones who will be allowed to visit my factory and see what it's like now inside. Good luck to you all and happy hunting. So as the section 1 begins, you can see a short official announcement or a bulletin that is given by Mr. Willy Wonga. So who is this Willy Wonga? Willy Wonga is a chocolatier. Chocolatier means the one who makes and sells chocolate. So let us see what is this announcement about and why is this announcement made. So Mr. Willy Wonga, who is a chocolatier, as I told you before, is making this announcement particularly for the children, because he knows children are fond of chocolates. So in this announcement, he is making the announcement, and it is something like this. He is reopening his chocolate factory that was closed for the last 10 years. So this chocolate factory is something special in that country. This chocolate factory is famous for its variety of taste and its variety of delicacies. So let us see what is this announcement about. So here we can find he is making 3 offers, and these 3 offers are for 5 lucky children. So what are these announcements? So these offers or this announcement are, the first one, he is allowing just 5 lucky children to explore his factory. Just 5 children. So he is letting in just 5 lucky children to explore or to travel around his factory. And the second one is that he is going to teach them all the secrets and the magic of this factory. So what are the secrets and magic of this chocolate factory? As children, you might be more fond of chocolates, isn't it? So something regarding a magic factory, something regarding a chocolate factory. So when you get a chance to explore a chocolate factory, you'll be very interested and very excited, isn't it? So this announcement is going to make all the children very excited, as they are very much fond of this chocolate factory. And the third offer is, the children who get a chance to explore this chocolate factory is going to be gifted with a supply of chocolates for their lifelong. So how will it be? You are going to get a supply of chocolates for your lifelong. So that, isn't it exciting? Yes. So these are the 3 offers put forward by Mr. Willy Wonka, and he has got one condition. So how he is going to select these lucky 5? So there is a condition, and that is, these lucky 5 are those children who can find 5 golden tickets that is hidden underneath the wrapping of Wonka's bars of chocolate, and they can purchase these bars of chocolate from anywhere, from any country where Wonka's chocolates are sold. So upon any counter they can purchase this chocolate where Wonka's chocolate are sold. So Wonka is wishing luck to those 5 lucky children, not only to those 5 lucky children, to all those golden ticket finders. Okay, so that is all about this announcement. Now let's learn new words and their meanings. The first word is extract. Extract means a selection from a writing. Extract means a selection from a writing. As I told you before, the story is an extract taken from a novel. So that is why this word extract is given here. Next one, explore. Explore means to travel around a place in order to learn about it. Explore means to travel around a place in order to learn about it. Bulletin. Bulletin is a short official news report. Bulletin is a short official news report. So Willy Wonka is giving this announcement in an evening bulletin. So bulletin means a short official news report. The next word is confectionery. Confectionery means sweets and cakes. It is told that Mr. Willy Wonka is a confectionery genius. So confectionery means sweets and cakes. The next word is wrapping. Wrapping means covering. Wrapping, the wrappers of the chocolate. So wrapping